Welcome to a haven of modern living in Highland Springs, where high quality craftsmanship meets a harmonious lifestyle. Take a look.
Seize the opportunity to own a stunning new home custom built by Case Concepts in the prestigious Highland Springs community. This residence features a perfect layout, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a spacious 3-stall garage. The expansive open floor plan highlights a truly large kitchen designed for entertaining with extensive cabinet storage and abundant counter space.
Genius!
Enjoy maximum privacy with a thoughtfully designed isolated primary suite. Outdoor relaxation is guaranteed on the large covered patio. This home flawlessly combines superior craftsmanship with modern functional living spaces.
Hurry to Highland Springs to make this house your home before it's history. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.